Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the most important thing for a YouTuber is how to earn money with YouTube. So basically I'm going to reveal some of the ways, maybe 5 or 6 ways to earn a good amount of money directly from YouTube. So basically these are the different types of ways. If you have a good YouTube channel and you have a good follower base and a good viewership, you can apply these ways, you can apply these formulas into your YouTube channel in order to create multiple ways to earn from your YouTube. Because as we have listened from the financial gurus, every time we should create multiple earning sources, and we have a platform where we have traffic, so why we shouldn't create multiple earning sources, right? So let's start the video with the first one, and that is the very basic one, and that is YouTube AdSense. You might have listened about the AdSense or YouTube ads, where if you completes the criteria, YouTube's criteria, YouTube will review your channel, and once they approve your YouTube channel, they will start showing ads to your YouTube channel. This is also known as a YouTube partnership program, right? Where they will show ads on your YouTube channel, and whatever the revenue generates through those ads, they will give you a good percentage from that revenue, right? But the thing is, if you want to earn money from YouTube ads or AdSense, both are same, you need to complete the criteria, which is 100, not 100, 1000 followers, right? And 400, not 400, sorry for that, 4000 hours of watch time. So this is the criteria you need to complete in order to get your channel approved, right? Earlier there was no any kind of criteria, because that time YouTube was growing, so there was no criteria, just you need to create the YouTube channel and your channel is already monetized. But now you need to reach the criteria, I mean complete the criteria of 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in order to make your channel monetized. But yes, it is a good way or good source of earning, and there are some categories that have a good earning ratio, or the have good amount of earning from YouTube itself, YouTube ads itself, right? Also there are some categories where YouTube AdSense doesn't even approve. So it depends on your category that how much money you can make from YouTube ads. Also it depends on the country basis, area basis, so there are many ifs and buts, right? Now the second way you can apply is sponsorship. This is the second most popular way to earn directly from YouTube, and that is sponsorship post. So there are many companies. Let's say I'm into digital marketing, right? So I have created a channel for around digital marketing, where I share the knowledge about digital marketing. So there are many companies who are into digital marketing services, tools, or digital marketing applications. Tons of things are there in the market, right? So what they can do is, if they don't have the right audience for their product, so what they can do is they can contact me, right? And they will ask me to promote their product or services, and in return they will give me a good amount of money, because I'm promoting their product or services to my audience, right? So I do have audience, they do have product, and they will sponsor me to promote their product. So this is how sponsorship post or sponsorship works, right? And as I told you that there are many categories where YouTube AdSense or YouTube ads doesn't even approve, right? So their main or primary source of income is YouTube, I mean is sponsorship directly, sponsorship posts directly, right? Now the third one is affiliate links and promotions. So there are many affiliate programs like Amazon, Udemy, Clickbank, Flex offers. So tons of affiliate programs are there in the market. What you can do is you can find out the suitable product or the compatible product which can be beneficial for your audience, and you can directly promote those products in your YouTube channel, and even you can provide the affiliate link into the description of your YouTube video. So in this way, if the user, if your audience clicks on that affiliate link, and if they purchase the product, or maybe if they sign up using that link, you will get a commission directly from that company. So this is also one of the way to earn money from YouTube, right? And it is also known as affiliate marketing. Then fourth, we have sell your merchandise. Merchandise selling is one of the most popular way to earn money from your audience, and this is not just for YouTube. If you are a social media influencer, if you have a good amount of follower base on Instagram, Twitter, you can still use this method to earn money. You can sell your branded merchandises like caps, t-shirts, cups, covers. Tons of options are there. You just need to do the proper branding, and to do marketing you have your own audience, so you just need to post some of the videos or some of the content about your product, right? And they will automatically start selling. Next, we do have the fifth option is YouTube channel membership. So earlier this feature was not there, but few years ago YouTube has introduced a new feature called membership. So it is kind of a Amazon's Prime membership. If you subscribe to Amazon's Prime membership, you get extra perks directly from YouTube, like access to Amazon Prime videos, access to Amazon's fast delivery, 1 day delivery, or maybe same day delivery, like kind of that thing. So same thing goes with your YouTube channel as well, where you can provide some extra perks to your YouTube channel members, and in return those YouTube channel will pay you a monthly subscription fee. It can be $10, it can be 20, 50, 30,000. It totally depends on you and what kind of perks you are providing, right? You can provide some extra content, you can provide some private content, any special meet, direct your contact. So it totally depends on you what kind of perk you want to provide. But yeah, this is also one of the way to earn, and this is directly from YouTube. So whenever your subscribers or the audience subscribe to your membership program, YouTube will charge a commission from that amount, and after deducting that commission they will send the money to you, right? And this is on a monthly basis, and this is totally separate from the AdSense. So the AdSense amount is different and the channel membership amount is different, and it is on a monthly basis. So yeah, this is also a good way to earn money on a monthly basis, right? Now the sixth point is funding from your fans. Funding from your fans is also a way to earn directly from YouTube. Directly from YouTube means your audience can directly do the transaction in the YouTube platform itself by purchasing your super chat, by purchasing super thanks or super stickers. So basically, if they purchase a super chat and they provide a super chat to you, basically they will send you a special message with a amount in that. It can be $1, $5, $10, or maybe $15. So super chat basically works on live streaming. So whenever you are live streaming, your audience can give you a super chat, and super thanks and super stickers also works on the YouTube videos as well. Now it basically works on all kind of YouTube channel, but in some of the categories it is very popular, like gamers, like teachers, news reporters, and some extra others. And this is not kind of any like the subscription program or the membership program. It is like a one time amount, right? So if your audience likes your content and if they just want to thank you, so they will give you a super thank with a amount of $2 or maybe a $5, and this is totally one time, right? And if they want to provide you again, if they want to thank you again, they have to purchase the super thanks again, and then they will be able to provide you, right? Now the seventh way to earn money from YouTube is directly from YouTube Premium program. So you might have listened about the YouTube Premium program, where if the audience or the YouTube user purchases the YouTube Premium, they'll be not able to watch ads. So basically they don't have to see the or watch the ads which appears on their YouTube video. So here one question arises, that how these YouTubers will be able to earn money. So basically, if the YouTube the YouTube Premium member watches your video, you will also get some amount of money from the membership amount that user is paying directly to YouTube, right? So YouTube will directly provide you some amount of money to you as well, because they are watching your video and they are not be able to see the ads because they are a premium member. So yeah, this is not that much popular, but yeah, people have started money from YouTube Premium program as well. So yeah, these were the 7 ways you can use to earn money directly from YouTube. And you need to keep one thing in your mind, that all these 7 ways are not applicable for all the YouTubers. It totally depends on you, that how much subscribers, how much engagement, how much viewership you have. And according to those data, according to those stats, you can apply the methods which you think are suitable for your YouTube channel, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any confusion or any question, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now, I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.